This is the weather forecast video for Friday, April 22nd, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some thunderstorms located from Missouri down into Texas. Another batch of cloudiness over the Great Plains into the northern Rockies. This will be affecting us through the day today, but Easter weekend should be dry. Here's the watch warning map from last evening. Flash flood and flood watches in effect from Missouri into the Ohio Valley. Some winter weather issues over the northern Rockies into Colorado. The rest of the nation quiet. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. That's right, 9.3 inches is the bullseye south of Rolla, Missouri. But northwest Iowa should only see about 3/4 to an inch of rain, while southeast Iowa could see upwards of 2 to 2.5 inches of rain, so it'll be quite wet over the state. Here's the GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see the upper level trough to the northwest of the state with a southwesterly flow. You can see some divergence with winds blowing in different directions just south of the state. Down below, one low over South Dakota and a new low forming over northwestern Missouri. The low over Missouri will be the one that produces severe weather to the east and south of that low. That storm will be long gone Saturday, clearing and cooler conditions. Well, actually not cooler, but it'll be drier. Highs will be around in the mid to upper 50s to near 60. Easter weekend, Easter Sunday here looks to be dry, although this model is trying to put in some precipitation over the southern part of the state. It looks like that will hold off until Sunday night after sunset. And by Monday you can see a new low forming southwest of the state, some overrunning precipitation, so some showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm by Monday. As we move along to Tuesday here in the 500 millibar chart, you can see a vortex over the just north of the state, and another trough digging into Texas and Oklahoma. Down at the surface, the low pressure system in southwestern Wisconsin will have moved through the state Monday night into Tuesday, so the rain will be tapering off Tuesday, maybe backwash showers Tuesday into early Wednesday. As you can see here, Wednesday afternoon, you can see some precipitation still around as the low is now moved into Ontario, with another low forming in the south with more thunderstorms there. We head off into Thursday, clearing and near average temperatures, highs around 60, low to mid 60s in the south. A week from today, southwest wind blowing in with a new storm system forming just to our west. Of course, this is on the edge of voodoo, so things could change slightly on this thing. We head off into voodoo country. This is May the 4th. Big trough over the east and a slight ridge over the Rockies and western part of the country. Down at the surface, a low pressure over Kansas that could bring some showers and thunderstorms to the state at the beginning of the month. Although look at the cooler conditions over New England. And at the end of the forecast period, on May the 7th, trough over the Great Lakes, a ridge over the west, and a big trough out over the Gulf of Alaska down at the surface. You can see a storm off the east coast with some backwash showers. Little disturbance north of the state, but this is way out there, so we will have a lot of time to look at it in the future. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.